Did you know you can make cookies with leftover pound cake batter? Let me show you. So we're gonna make a sugar cookie base and we're gonna freeze some pound cake batter and then stuff it into the sugar cookie. You ready? I am. Let's do it. Okay, first step, we'll make the batter up and then scoop it and freeze it. Crack our eggs. Eggs in, oil in. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is use an ice cream scoop to level off and portion our little doughs. All right, this is what it looks like after it's all scooped. We're gonna set these in the freezer for about 20 minutes. All right, let's make the sugar cookie batter. You're just gonna need a stand mixer and a bowl. Add in our butter, melted butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar, in goes the egg, and then in goes 1 egg yolk. We can add in our vanilla. Our dry mixture into our wet. All right, now let's scoop each cookie. Set these cookies up in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Our pound cake batter here, and we have our sugar cookie batter here. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the palm of my hand and smush the cookie batter. I'm gonna take one of the pound cake batters here, and then I'm gonna smush another cookie and place it over. So basically like sandwiching in that pound cake batter. And I'm just gonna crimp around the edges like this. Beautiful. And now we're just gonna repeat that with all the rest of the cookies. Our cookies are stuffed and we are ready to go in the oven. 14 minutes at 375. Let's make the lemon glaze. I'm gonna use some fresh lemon juice here. Try and get about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna add in 3 cups of powdered sugar, some vanilla, and some half and half. All right, that looks like a good glaze to me. Oh yeah, perfect. Our lemon pound cake cookies are just coming out of the oven. I'm scooping them onto our cooling rack so I can glaze them. This has got all that lemony tartness in it. It's just gonna make each bite really delicious. All right, our lemon pound cake cookies are done. You can see some of the pound cake poking out through some of this sugar cookie. Check out how chewy and gorgeous. You can see a line of pound cake right above the sugar cookie. It's just, I'm gonna dive in. The best lemon cookie you can imagine in your life. Believe me, this took me like 20 minutes to make. You gotta try this at home.